This video explains how you can use hot corners in Mac to show the desktops very quickly. So to use the hot corners, what you have to do is go to the system preferences first of all, then click on desktop and screensaver, and then click on hot corners. Or there you can see that right now by default this dash is displayed. So I'm not using this top left and right corners. All I'm using is just bottom left and right corners. So here I have the bottom right corner is set for desktop and bottom left corner is set for sleeping. So what happens is that if you take your mouse to the right bottom, what will happen is that desktop will be shown on my Mac, and if I take my mouse to the left bottom part, then my computer or Mac will go to sleep. So that's how you can use these active screen corners. So I'm just gonna give you demo of this desktop, how this works. So for that all I have to do is just take my mouse cursor to the bottom right corner. So let us see how it works. I'll just close it, and as you can see, as I take my mouse to the this corner, right bottom corner, it is showing this desktop. And again come back to the original position, then again I have to do the same thing. Just take my mouse cursor to the corner and I'm back to my original window. To repeat the same, just take your mouse there and take it back like that. And similarly, if I take my mouse to the left bottom corner, what will happen is that my Mac will sleep and I will have to re-log in. So that's how you can use these hot corners to show the desktop. Or there are a lot of options actually over there in that hot corner settings. So if you go here, apart from showing the desktop, you can also do, like, you can start screensaver or disable screensaver, then you can launch mission control, you can view all application windows that are open, you can open dashboard or notification center or launchpad. So based upon how frequently you use those applications, you can save the hot corners of your Mac. Thanks for watching this video.